how to delete your universal credit account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your gov.uk, and then from here you'll need to find your universal credit rate. So in here, what you're going to do is simply find the option sign in to your universal credit account, tap on that one, and then from there you'll need to add in all of your credentials in order to log in. Simply tap on sign in one more time, add in all of the credentials of your account, and then sign into your account. After successfully signing into your account, what you're going to do is simply notify your work coach. What you're going to do is send a journal entry informing your work coach that you wish to close your claim and delete your online access. Then after doing that, you'll need to now follow all of the official procedure to withdraw the claim. You can close the claim, and then from there you can submit a request to your DWP data protection officer for personal account record deletion, like your subject statutory retention periods. Then you can actually do the data retention request, and after doing that, I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to now successfully delete your universal credit account.